Hi friends, welcome to WordPress Mastery. In this video, we are going to see how to install Elementor plugin on your WordPress website. To install Elementor on your WordPress website, you need to log in. Once you log in, you will get a dashboard like this. So on the left side, to install any new plugin, you need to go on to the plugin section. Once you click on plugin, here you will see all the installed plugins. If you want to install a new plugin, you need to come under add new plugin. Once you click on it, it will take to the screen where you will get all the plugins which are present on the WordPress platform. If you want to search for a new plugin, you need to search with that particular name. Here I want to install Elementor, so I search with Elementor. Once I enter, it will come up with the all the plugins that tagged with Elementor name. So once everything is come up, so you will get a lot of plugins that are related to Elementor, but here our main target is to install Elementor. So this is the Elementor plugin. Elementor is available in two versions. One is free version and paid version. Free version come up with basic elements, but paid version will come up with a lot of elements that will give a freedom to design any type of pages. So to install any plugin, you need to click on install now. It will take few minutes to install. Once done with installation, it will show activate button. Once installation done, you will get button like this. You need to click on activate. It will get activated and you will see the particular plugin activated and option to deactivate and settings. On the left side, you will see one section for Elementor. Here you will find all the sections that are related to Elementor. So on the home page, it will give the information about what are the options it is providing, like image optimization on what are the benefits of Elementor. So under section, you will find option to check like whether if you want Elementor should be available on post page, you can check here where the particular page is should available. So you can check different where you want the Elementor. Under integration, you can add the API. So whenever if you want to add any Google map on your page, you can directly add from them. And under advanced, you will have option to disable or enable few features, like if you want to swap the Google phone with another, you can encourage swap, or you can select whatever the options that are available. If you want to give a loader whenever if you are switching from normal classic editor to new editor, you can enable this one. Under performance, you will have option to optimize. Here we selected like by default you will get all optimized thing. If you want to change, you can change based on the requirement. For example, if you are doing changes, if you want to catch a spare for 1 hour, you can do that. Once you are done with all the designing, you can make this captcha expire to 1 week. So the user who are using this one, they don't need to load the page every time. So these are the settings. Under role, you will have all the options related to editors. So here to give this option, you need to purchase the pro version. So in the same way, the other options should have the pro version. So let's see how to design a page with Elementor. If you see, we have post and page. In both we will get option of Elementor. So I am going to show how to switch from classic editor to Elementor. So here once you click on page, it will show the page section where you will see all the details of page that are previously built or in a draft mode. If you want to add new page, you need to click on add new. You will get option like this. On the top you will get option to add a title. Below you will have option to add body content. On the bottom you will have rank math SEO, but by default it will not available. I install this. So whenever you first log in into your WordPress, you won't see this option and this whole option. After installing rank math, you will find. Okay, so if you want to design this page just by using classic editor, you can add a content. For the purpose of demo, I am adding demo page, and content has a demo page to show how it will appear. So this is the page. So once I click on preview, it will show the preview of this page. So we install the generate page. So by default, whatever content I added here, it is showing under preview. If you design the same page by using Elementor, how it appears. So for that, I need need to click on edit Elementor. It will take to the Elementor page builder where you will get option like this. So we are not covering the how to design a whole page in Elementor. So purpose of what is the use of Elementor, I'm just drag and drop this heading and adding to here. So in this way, if you see in the classic editor, we don't have option to change the color, but in Elementor we have that one. If you want to change the color, you can change as per your website the brand guidelines. So once you change, you will get like this. If you want to see the preview, you can check out, click on preview changes. It will show how it will appear. So in this way, you can install your Elementor on WordPress and you can design a page by using Elementor. So in the next video, we will cover how to design a sample page by using Elementor free version and utilize the features of the Elementor free version to design a extraordinary page. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share this video. If you want more videos on WordPress, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.